welcome to another video from Bushtweak. I'm in my Polish Lavvu. That is two ponchos attached together with a small aluminium pole. I have a Kni-co stove. I think it's an Alaskan Junior. I'm just out trying out the Lavvu. As you can see, I don't have a stove jack yet. I'm planning on modifying this tent. So I improvised today. I also let in some extra air by my head. It's a fairly good room for me. This is the small one. Number 1 it's called. You have 3 sizes, so I'll be modifying on number 3 I will be receiving soon. So guys, I have this small stove called Kni-co Alaskan Junior. I don't know the measurements, but it's I think it's around 40 by 25 or something. You have a damper built in the bottom part. Oh. Don't keep the door open too long. Don't keep the door open too long. Ooh, we got some weather. Okay guys, as you can see, I had to get out of the tent and open the door because the stove went out and a lot of smoke came into the tent. As you see, when I opened the stove door, there is virtually no flame. As soon as it got air, the flame starts leaking outside the box and it catches fire again. I came to the conclusion that it had to be a clog in the system somewhere, so I checked the spark arrestor on the stovepipe, and this is what it looked like. The whole surface of this spark arrestor was like this. It was totally clogged, and only after 3 hours of burn time. So this is not a good spark arrestor for my use. I guess if you use dry wood, there will not be a problem like this, but when you have to get the fire going with birch bark, which contains a lot of oil, it's a real possibility of your spark arrestor clogging up. So there was a real possibility of carbon monoxide poisoning, so it was a good trial and an error to make sure that I used the tent and stove correctly. Don't have an accident. So I'll be modifying this for a more upright design, a bigger spark arrestor with bigger holes and a roof over here, so I can make sure no debris or snow comes down the stovepipe. Woohoo! Fun, fun, fun. Well guys, that was fun. Hope to do it again soon. See you guys. Have a good one.